guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a PR haul. So iMETHOD Beauty reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their gel polishes, and of course you guys know I'm trying to bring other brands to my channel, so I said of course. So I went ahead and just opened the package and pulled it out, and you get your standard booklet. Like I said, most brands include the kind of tutorials on how to, how to do different ones. And then they also included some of their collections, which I do like. So you guys know I love when brands put color on top, and I don't care if it's a sticker, like Madame Glam, you know how they have that kind of, I think they actually put the gel in there and then apply the clear on top. So I don't care if it's a sticker or that. I just like the fact that the color is on top, so I can quickly look into my drawer without having to do the little cheat that I do, which I don't mind having the cheat where I put my own top, but I think I say this in every video. I like when brands do this, so I know what I'm looking at. Starting with 122, this looks like a light cream, and that is exactly what it is. So I'm glad to see that the swatches on top, or the labels on top, mimic the color that is actually in the bottle. These are very pigmented. So I would probably do a thinner coat, I'm not gonna lie, because it's beautiful in one coat. However, I would do 2 thin coats on a natural nail. 123, and this looks like a nice, okay, so this is so pretty. It's kind of like a brighter mauve-y pink. That's probably the best way I could describe that. I love that. And that actually looks really good with my pasty skin tone. So I love that. I mean, these are pretty one coat coverage. So we have 124, which looks like a yellow. Okay. Now I'm gonna see how close that yellow is, because as long as I can see it's a yellow, I'm okay with that. But this looks like a pretty primary yellow. So there is a little bit of shadowing in this yellow. So I would do 2 coats and you won't have any issues. I mean, it's very slight, and that's pretty common for yellows. All right, I did want to go back to that yellow. We're pretty close, but this definitely looks more pale than real life. Next up is 125, and this is an orange, which this kind of looks like a fall pumpkin orange to me. So we'll see. Yeah, this is definitely a fall. This is very pigmented. So you guys are doing nail art in fall. This color is, wow. Impressive, actually. 126, definitely a mossy green, and I'm here for it. This is giving me spring green, or like, you know, when you are doing flowers and you need kind of different variants in green, this might be pretty to add to some of the brighter colors. But for me, this is definitely like a spring green. One coat coverage again, still pretty impressed. All right, last one, 127. Yo, these are so pigmented. That's crazy. See if I can get my turn. Yeah, this is a really pretty blue. It would have been perfect to go with my current set. All right, here we go. Here are all the swatches, and these were so pigmented. I was pleasantly surprised, because you never know when you get colors in if they're gonna be super pigmented or not. I would have loved for this guy, the 122, to be like a purple, because this is giving me like springtime vibes into summer, because like they can go either way, and I think a purple here would have been amazing. Although you could do like nude nails and then do some flowers with this, so I think I can see their reasoning behind it, and me just being selfish wanting a purple because I love purple. But overall, this is a beautiful collection, and they were kind enough to give me a discount code, so I will go ahead and link it below and give you the link to this kit as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. Oh yeah, I made them matte. Beautiful both ways, but I definitely lean towards matte because you guys know I love matte nails. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.